What you are looking at is India's first printed house.
Not built, printed.
This house was printed in just 21 days.
And 0 people were used to build it.
Yes friends, this house was created entirely by this machine. After Aditya, Parivardhan and Vidya Shankar graduated,
they realized that we are in the middle of a housing crisis.
Today, over 1.7 million Indians are homeless. The way we build houses takes too much time, money and results in too much waste.
To solve these problems,
these 3 friends built a 3D printer to print homes. For 2 years, they failed hundreds of times.
But they did not give up.
First, they designed the model of the house. Then they fed the design to their 3D printer. And piece by piece, they watched their printer build each part of the house.
Once all the parts were ready, they were put together.
A beautiful and a well-planned house was printed within just a few days.
And also generated very less waste.
In a world where we print our dream homes on paper, these friends are printing real homes with concrete.
Stay on the ground with me until we make it.